The 2025 Audi A3 is a compact high-end automobile generated by the German automaker Audi. The Audi A3 is available in different body styles, including a car, tavern, a sportback, hatchback, and a cabriolet. Convertible. Accessibility of these body styles may differ relying on the marketplace. Audi A3 designs commonly include innovation functions like digital cabin displays, touchscreen infomercial systems, and chauffeur support systems. Audi A3 designs come furnished with Audi's Quattro four-wheel drive system for enhanced grip and security. The performance of the Audi A3 can vary depending upon the engine and trim level. Few versions are developed for sportier driving experiences, while others focus on gas performance and convenience. The Audi A3 rate can vary significantly depending upon the specific version, trim degree, and optional features picked. Audi A series falls into the high-end portable automobile sector, and rates is typically greater contrasted to non-luxury portable autos. Audi A3 additionally considers its somewhat higher priced and a lot more powerful, performance-focused brother or sister, the Audi S3, to be its main competitor compared to entry-level high-end versions like the Acura Integra and BMW 2 Series grandmother sports car. Inside, the A3 interior is well-crafted with premium materials and an instinctive infotainment system. Audi's virtual cabin, which replaces traditional gauges with a personalized digital display, is typically readily available and includes a modern touch to the cabin. Natural leather furniture comes criterion on all designs, and Audi provides Nappa natural leather furniture for the performance-enhanced S3. A 10.3-inch screen is common, but you can update to a bigger 12.3-inch unit as part of the modern technology bundle on the costs and also version. The Audi A3 technology package additionally includes navigation and enables the navigation map to be shown in the center of the instrument panel. The Audi A3 has 3 effective engines to select from. The base 201 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder engine has a lot of power for driving at any speed. It likewise has a mild crossbreed system that provides it a minor electric